All right, the next game is another inside game. It is called Wind Bowling. For this, you'll need 10 paper or plastic cups, a balloon, or a paper plate. Now what you're going to do is you're going to set those cups out on the edge of the table, and you're going to try to knock all of them down in 1 minute. You can either use a balloon, blow it up, use the air to blow, or you can make wind with a paper plate. I'm going to show you using both. I have my stopwatch ready to go, set on 1 minute. Ready, set, go. All right, I'm not very good with the balloon. I'm going to try the plate. All right, I did it, and I did it with 21 seconds to spare. Let's see how you can do.